Hello and welcome to a brand new series on the Wired to Fire YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install and uninstall a graphics card. We're going to bring you quick how-to guides on how to do anything on your computers. If you've got an office PC or you've got a gaming one, we're here to help you guys in any situation. If you've got any problems, we're here for you. We've got so many great videos lined up to come out over the next couple of weeks and months, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, stay up to date. If you don't know who we are, we're Wired to Fire. We're a UK-based PC company. We make PCs for everyone, be it in the office or gaming at home. We've been around since 2004, making award-winning PCs, so we kind of know what we're on about. If you want to have a browse at our PCs or anything to do with our social media, it's all in the description below. Don't miss out. Right, I don't want to keep you waiting anymore. Let's get into it. First rule of thumb and health and safety is to make sure the PC is completely turned off and away from the main so that we don't have any accidents when doing this. Please take the power cable out of the GPU as well. This is essential. Step 2, make sure to take the 2 screws that are on the left-hand side of the PC case. These literally just hold the GPU in place to make sure it doesn't move around or anything. Then step 3, make sure to hit that clip and the GPU should simply just come out of the silver slit slot. Now putting a GPU back in, you can see the silver slot again. Just line them up and push the GPU into the motherboard until you hear a nice click. Then repeat the process like we did at the start. Put the screws back in, the 2 screws that go into the left-hand side of the PC case. Make sure they are screwed nice and tight. We don't want that GPU moving around. GPU power cable back in. Make sure the power goes into the back and flip the switch. Then turn on your PC and you're good to go. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to see any more videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys in the next video.